Life. Most of us have failed or gone astray in one fashion or another, at one time or another. But we need not become despondent at such times. We should resolve to reap the full benefit of the discovery of our weakness, our folly. All in the dark we grope along, and if we go amiss, we learn at least which path is wrong, and there is gain in this. We do not always win the race by only running right. We have to tread the mountain's base before we reach its height. But he who loves himself the last and knows the use of pain, though strewn with errors all his past, he surely shall attain. Some souls there are that needs must taste of wrong ere choosing right. We should not call those years a waste which led us to the light.